Today we're going to take a look at a topographic map. A topographic map is a visual representation of natural features like rivers, mountains, and valleys, and all man-made features, as you can see here, like roads, cities, and towns. I'm going to teach you how to read them, focusing on grid references, and we are going to go through some rules that will help you make sense of this. Now, by the end of this video, I want everybody to know what a grid reference is, when to use grid reference, and you must be able to use a 4 and a 6 figure grid reference. Right. The basic purpose of a grid reference is to help us locate things on a map. They tell us where things are on a topographic map. We use the imaginary lines, which are called grid lines. They divide the map into grid squares. These lines can help us locate things on a map using a 4 or a 6 figure reference. Right. There are two different types of grid lines. Some run vertically upwards. We call them easting. These lines, we call them easting because their numbers increase when you move towards the east. We call these lines eastings. We call them eastings. Now, the second one, we call them northings. They run horizontally. We call them northings because their numbers increase when you move towards the north, and you can conclude here, we can call them northings. Now let's examine how these grid references work. We are going to start looking at the eastings. These are the vertical lines that are given numbers. As you can see, they are given numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 8. They have to have numbers so that they will be able to fit properly with the way of working out grid references. Now, we are going to take a look at the northings, which are the horizontal lines that we read first when you want to locate something on a map. Okay, now it's time to put in practice of what we have learned previously on this video. Now, let's say we want to locate the mountain that is on this topographic map. The first thing that we are going to do is reading the northings, which have alphabets on the side. Now, if we want to locate the mountain, we must first identify where it is located, reading the northings. So we are at block A. Is it in block A1? No. Is it in block A2? Yes. Is it in block A3? Yes. So the grid references has to be written in the form of A2 and A3, not A2 and 3. Now let's carry on. If you want to locate the 10th dam, the first thing that we need to do basically is to read the northings. Always start by read the northings. Okay. The 10th dam is located on block E. Is it on block E1? Yes, it is on block E1. So the grid references will be written as block E1. To sum up everything that have been stated previously on the video, I want you guys to remember that a topographic map is a visual representation of both natural and man-made features. And a grid reference are a set of coordinates, usually numbers or sometimes letters and numbers. They are used to locate a specific area in a topographic map. Now, I want you guys to pay full attention of what I said before, because maps are not the same, but the process of making grid references is the same. You just have to follow the steps that I have mentioned previously on this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was very informative.